Welcome everybody, this is Tricia, and I wanted to announce the relaunch of the Mars Primary Academy. So I'm going to walk you through what's in it. We have organized it, updated it, made it a little bit easier for you to get to the information you need. So here we go. First, when you first sign up, you have your instructions, forms to fill out, kind of an overview of training. Then, in case you missed a session that you want to go back to, this is the most recent 45 days, okay? So we do 8 sessions a week. 45 days is a lot, right? So all of those are in there. Now, on Mondays, we do celebrations and spotlights, which is a little bit more structured version of a spotlight session. We come together as a group and we talk through what we were celebrating for the last week, what we accomplished, and then what our focus is going to be for the week forward. And then we open the floor for spotlights. So all of your past recordings are in there. Anytime there's an open spotlight session on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, those recordings sit here. On Thursday mornings, we do Recruiting Revolution with Rich Rosen, and all of those recordings sit here. Right now, we're currently in the middle of the from scratch version of AI for Recruiters. What you'll find is the PDFs, we're done with the first week. Today is the 13th. We're gonna, continue training this for the week. And then we'll start training Client Cornucopia Live, which is our sales or business development training in November. And that'll replace this section. You'll see another one that is specifically the live sessions for the sales training. Now, anytime in Deep Learning on Tuesdays that we're doing training on AI, it's loaded here. And we do live AI support every single week on Wednesdays. All of those recordings are there. Now we've gone into Deep Learning for sales and we've tried to put this in a mostly chronological order against the process. So all of your sales training is in here. Then we move to recruiting. Same thing. We tried to put the whole thing kind of in the order of the recruiting process. Next, we have post-hire, the guardrails that you put in place to stop fall-offs. You have to do that, right? Then we go into more deep learning. This is going to be all of the things that you need to do in order to be successful that aren't necessarily recruiting or sales or sourcing or AI. It's a whole bunch of different things in there. And then we do live sourcing sessions every week. So we have got basic sourcing training and then all of the live sessions are in there for you. Quarterly, we do what we call Path to Actualization. These are more like the psychological things that we need to be aware of and pay attention to in order to make ourselves better people, which in turn makes us better recruiters, which means we make more money, right? So personal development series. Then we've got special guests that we've had. Our strategic planning, deep learning. This is a live session that we teach in December. We will teach it again this December. It is a Friday, Saturday program that is writing your whole plan for next year. And of course, you can join us live. We'll put login information in here once we are closer to the event. All right, then we've got past Rack Fridays and Black Fridays and Ghost Stories. So those are, other events that we do, and then your upcoming schedule. So I just wanted you to have a sense of what the newly organized, newly relaunched Mars program looks like. We hope you find this overview helpful. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me directly. Thank you.